guys, my fashion for today. Pack.
Wow!
Details yan guys.
Oh no!
Ayan, ano diba? Ayan. Pack na pack. I really love it. My fashion for today.
Oh my god! Wow!
I really love it. Alam nyo ba guys, magkano lang to ang concerts for today? Ayan, for only
Oh my
250
God.
pesos guys. I really love it. Ayan, kailangan ko lang ma-flat yung aking tama guys. Ayan. And then, sasabak na ako sa aking pagiging model guys. Fashion. Ayan. Because I really love fashion. Tada! Diba? Pack na pack yan.
Oh my god!
Diba guys? I really love it. Pack.
Oh no!
O, diba?
Oh my god!
I really love the hills, guys. Ayan.
Wow!
I really love it. One such spot today. Pack. Ayan, feeling mo din naman ako, guys. I really love it. I really love it, guys.
Oh my god!
Heels. Ang aking pangmalakasang heels, guys. I really love it. Pack na pack. And guys, ayan, dahil model na naman ako. Ayan.
Oh my god! Wow!
This outfit for today. Ayan guys, I really
God.
love it. Ayan guys, kung magkano lang to. Ayan, nabudol din naman ako guys. Ayan, for only 250 pesos. Ayan, I really love it guys. Ayan, very cheap lang siya guys. Pero napakaganda. Pack na pack siya.
Oh
And
my
then,
god!
I have Tcharan! High heels here, guys. Ayan, ang tagalan itong nakatago, guys. Hindi ko siya nasusuot, kaya naman ngayon isusuot natin siya, guys. Irarampa ko siya, guys, kasi hindi ko na siya nagagamit. Nasisira lang siya, guys. Nagbabakbak na. Ang tagal-tagalan nito, guys. Kaya naman isuot natin. Isuot natin siya, guys. Ayan, oh, ang ganda-ganda nitong aking high heels na to, guys. Ayan. Ayan po, isa to sa aking ginagamit guys pag may mga party-party. Kaya lang for now guys, wala tayong party. Wala tayong party inatanan guys. Kaya naman, dito na lang natin siya irampa guys. So, ayan, this is it. Ayan guys, yung aking beach outfit. Ayan, ang ganda niyan guys. Ah. Ayan. Pack. Ayan, meron siya ano sa likod guys. Ayan, pack na pack. Ayan, oh, diba? I really love it. Yung ating, ayan, para, ayan, wag tayo mahiya sa beach, guys. Ayan, meron tayong pang two-piece, o, diba? Pack na pack yan. I really love it, guys. Ayan, o. Pack na pack yan. O, diba? I really love my shoes, guys. Ayan, o. Ayan. O, diba? Ang ganda niya, guys. So, that's it for today. Ayan, guys. Tuwang-tuwa ako sa aking outfit ngayon. Ayan, dahil feeling model na naman ako, guys. Ayan. I really love it. Pack na pack.